Hey, Hans of NewGadgets.de, and I'm here at the Samsung booth at IFA 2018, and right here we're having a look at the new Samsung CJ791, the first Thunderbolt 3 display from Samsung. So over here you can see the new Samsung QLED monitor CJ791. It's a 34-inch display. As you may see, it is curved 1500R. It is a quantum dot display, and the specialty, of course, is that it supports Thunderbolt 3. So this monitor is connected to this Samsung notebook with Thunderbolt 3. And the cool thing is that you can connect your Thunderbolt 3 devices to the monitor. So for example, we have the portable SSD X5 over here that we already had in a review. You can check it out on my channel. So this is really a nice addition if you have a Thunderbolt 3 computer or notebook. The screen ratio is 21:9, and we have a resolution of 3340 by 1440 pixels. The brightness is 300 nits, and from the connectivity we have HDMI, DisplayPort, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports and 1 USB 3 port. Of course, you can also tilt the display and set the height for it. Because the stand is round, you don't need a turn function, you can just set up the display like you want. So this is the new Samsung 34-inch CJ791 over here at the IFA 2018. If you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.